It was in the year 2018 when I decided to end my long, glorious 9 to 5 career. My career was going really well. Multinational company, big salary, great position, everything was really great. However, my soul was not happy. I didn't have that satisfaction. Like majority of the people, I was dreaming big. I wanted to start something on my own, but I was totally clueless. I was chasing every shiny objects in the market. I was going after everything which is trending at that point of time, and I was failing miserably. One day, a mentor came into my life. He holded my hand and told me, "Come with me, I am going to show you the path, how to build a business." From there, my second innings started. If I look back, it was really a hard, however, a beautiful journey of entrepreneurship. Why I'm telling you this? Because you might be at the same place I was few years back. Every year, millions of people start their online venture, business venture, but 96% of the people will fail because of the lack of guidance. And I don't want you to be one among them. Hi everyone, Sunil Hegde. I'm the founder of Dream Lifestyle Hub, and I'm on a mission to help 100,000 people to live their dream lifestyle. If you are here because you want to start something on your own, or you have already started but struggling to grow, or you're totally confused, don't worry. You are at the right place at the right time. Today, I'm going to talk about best affiliate programs for you to build your super profitable affiliate marketing business. However, if you don't know what I am really talking about, if you don't know what is affiliate marketing at all, you go to check out in the description. I have given the link for one of my videos, which is about affiliate marketing for beginners. Also, I'm going to link that video at the end of this video. You can check it out. Yep. Now, let's dive straight into today's topic, which is best affiliate marketing programs. All right, are you ready to grow your bank balance? If you're watching me live anywhere, whether it is YouTube or Facebook, even if you're watching a replay, in the comment box, please write, "I am ready." On a little side note, if you're watching me first time or you're not subscribed to my channel, below this video, you can find subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to talk about some important concepts about affiliate programs. Also, I'm going to give you my top 8 networks, which you can tap into to access best affiliate programs in the world. Also, I'm going to give you the checklist which you can go through before finalizing any affiliate market networks. And the last, I'm going to give you some action steps. If you stay till end of this episode, I'm going to bless you with something amazing and cool. Are you ready? Now let's first look at some important concepts. I'm sure you must be having this question. What is affiliate marketing program? This is a program where a particular brand or a product owner will allow people to join them, allow them to promote their product or service, and pay them commission when they're able to make sale for them. There are two types of affiliate marketing programs in the market. So the first type is individual affiliate marketing program, where a particular brand or a product owner have their own affiliate marketing program. Let's take an example. Bluehost. They are a web hosting service provider. When you join their affiliate marketing program and you're able to make sale of their service, you will get commission. And the second type, which is very, very popular out there, affiliate marketing networks. These are the marketplaces where various brands and product owners will come and list their product or service. You can either choose a single product or service or multiple product or services. Yeah. As we move further, we are going to talk a lot about affiliate marketing networks. Now, the next obvious question is, why affiliate marketing network? Here are the reasons. So the first one is secured payments. When we talk about online, first thing comes to our mind is scam. What will happen to my money? When you join affiliate marketing networks, these people will act as an intermediary between a brand and you. So your amount or the money is secure. Okay. The next one is variety of choices. We love choices, aren't we? When you join an individual affiliate marketing program, there is a lack of choice. When you join affiliate marketing network, you will have lots of product or services to choose from. And also you can check the product or service you want to promote will benefit your audience, will match your audience or not. Yeah. And the third one is the reporting. Without reporting, without data, if you're running a business, you're setting yourself for a failure. These affiliate marketing networks will provide you lots of cutting edge technologies, tools for you to track each and everything so that you know where exactly you're doing good and where exactly you are going wrong so that you can improvise and scale. And the fourth one is rewards and incentives. These networks, some of the networks will not only pay you commission, they will provide you rewards and incentives. If you meet a criteria, some of the networks will pay you $2,000, $3,000 per month, where you can really dream for Ferrari. Yeah. Now let's move on to the third part in this concept, which is what are the promotion channels these affiliate entrepreneurs are using. Not everyone use the same or similar kind of channel, but there are few which is very, very common. So the first one here is bloggers. They have a blog, a review about a product or service where they already have certain followers to their blog. They will write or review about a product or service which they are promoting, and they will include their affiliate link. That is the first one. Second one is influencers. If you are an influencer, maybe you have a big fan followers in Instagram or different social media, you can promote a product or a service. But remember one thing, when you're promoting something, don't look at commission or money. Look at whether that product or service will benefit your audience. All right. And the third one is your email list. If you have an email list, you can send an email with your affiliate link. The last one is you can collaborate with large media websites and you can start promoting your product or service as an affiliate entrepreneur. You cannot join affiliate marketing networks or programs just like that. You need to meet certain requirements. Let's look at those requirements. So the first one is majority of the networks will ask you for a website. If you don't have a website, they will disqualify you. Although you can give your Facebook group details, but I strongly recommend you should have your own personal branded website. And the next one is minimum traffic. What is the minimum traffic you are getting to your website or a blog site? They have a certain threshold. If you are above that threshold, they will allow you to join their network. And the third one is you should have your own email marketing system, which is very, very important, so that you can capture and build your email list about your prospect, and you keep nurturing them and start promoting your affiliate links. So these are the three very, very important requirements which you got to meet before even trying to join any networks. In the resource section in the description, I have given you various recommended resources which you can use so that you can meet all these requirements. Yeah. Are you loving it so far? If yes, in the comment box, please write love it. Till now, you have understood all the important concepts about affiliate marketing program. And it is very important you understand all these concepts thoroughly. Now, I'm going to walk you through my top 8 affiliate marketing networks in the world in order of my preference. So the number 8 is clickbank.com. This is one of the world's largest affiliate marketing networks. All the gurus out there in the market, when they want to teach you affiliate marketing, they will send you to ClickBank. So ClickBank has a marketplace and they have various range of products from physical to digital. You can search a particular product based on your niche Also, you can go to categories like arts and entertainment, betting system, business and investing, computer and internet, cooking, food and wine. They have 30 plus odd categories where you can go and search for a product. Yeah. However, from last 4 to 5 years, all the products listed in ClickBank is not of a great quality. So before promoting any product, please check the quality. That's why I am giving ClickBank number 8. Now let's move on to number 7, which is Zavizu. This is one of the nice and largest network. They have over 800,000 plus affiliates and made over 1.2 billion freaking dollar in sales. Now you can imagine how big the network is. Here, majority of the products are related to marketing, tech, and AI. Now let's move on to my number 6, which is Amazon affiliate program. No introduction needed here. Everyone knows Amazon, and almost anything you can think of, you'll get in Amazon and you can promote. However, the drawback here is, since most of the products here is physical products, the margin is very, very low and the commission rate is also low. Somewhere between 4 to 6%, they will pay you as a commission. That's why this is my number 6. Now let's move on to my number 5, which is ShareASale. This is one of the world's oldest network and exists over 2 decades. This has 16,550 plus merchants, 225,000 plus publishers, and 182 million sales generated only in 2020. Some of the world's renowned brands, Reebok, Nectar, Minted, Sunbasket, these brands are listed in ShareASale. This has wide range of products like physical, digital, SaaS products, even dating services, and pay you competitive commission. My number 4 is Impact. If you want to promote world's biggest brands such as Adidas, Airbnb, Walmart, Uber, Ticketmaster, some of the world's renowned brands, exclusively available in Impact, and their tracking and reporting systems of a great quality. Now let's move on to my number 3, which is CJ Affiliate. Earlier this was known as Commission Junction. Very, very high quality, biggest network. If you are a pro or a mid-level, you can utilize this network. You should have certain amount of traffic already. If you're a beginner, this network is not for you. Now let's move on to my number 2, which is network marketing companies. There are large network marketing companies out there like Amway, Herbalife Nutrition, Energy, Primerica. So many out there in the market. They have a large base, large network which you can utilize. They have very good training as well. And you can do your affiliate marketing very, very easily. Here in network marketing companies, I want to talk about a company which has a bright future, which is 7K Metals. Have you heard of a company which help you invest $80 to $100 per month, and they will provide you a collectible coin, something like this. I'm not sure whether you're able to see beautiful coin. And at the same time, you can earn commission up to $10,000 per week. It's a great company. You can see the link in the description. You can go and check it out. Okay, now let's move on to my number 1, Secret Network. If you go and search in YouTube, you'll see all the 7 networks I already talked about. But I can assure you, no one will tell you what is that number 1 network which you can tap into, which is nothing but private and direct. How about you as a brand will collaborate with another brand or multiple brands without having any dependency on any networks whatsoever, and you can earn lots of money. This is called hub-based ecosystem model. I don't want to overwhelm you. In the action section, when I'm going to talk about your next action steps, I will explain you in detail how you can tap into this private and direct network. Yeah. Now let's quickly understand what are those top 8 affiliate marketing networks. Number 8 is ClickBank. Number 7 is Zavizu. Number 6 is Amazon Associate or Amazon Affiliate Program. Number 5 is ShareASale. Number 4 is Impact. Number 3 is CJ Affiliate. Number 2 is Network Marketing Companies. And number 1 is Private and Direct Network. About private and direct network, I am going to talk in a while. Now let's understand, before finalizing these networks, what are the checklists you got to follow. So the first one is product match. The product or a service listed in these networks, whether it is matching with your prospects, whether it is matching with your followers or your audience. First, you got to check that. The next one is commission rate. These networks has different commission rates. You got to find what is the commission rate and whether it is profitable for you or not. And the third thing is joining requirements. Some of the joining requirements I walked you through here in the concepts, but these different networks has different joining requirements. Understand those? And the fourth one is miscellaneous fees. Some of the networks has for their training or maybe for setup, they have large fees. Understand those things as well. And the last one is tracking duration. Different network has different tracking duration. Some of the network has 120 days tracking duration. Tracking duration is nothing but cookie. When someone clicks your link, how many days these networks will track you and credit you for that sale. For example, Amazon has only 24 hours tracking duration. However, the advantage there is if someone clicks on your link but purchase any product within 24 hours, you will get a commission for that. So different network has different tracking duration. So checklist here is product match, commission rates, joining requirements, miscellaneous fees, and tracking duration. Now let me walk you through your next action steps. If you're really serious about building super profitable affiliate marketing business, your first step is we are hosting a 3-hour free masterclass. This is completely free. You can attend by registering with this link. The link is provided in the description as well. And your second step is if you want to know more about how to build an online business from the scratch, you can be part of our 4%er community. You can join through this link. Again, this is a free account you can create and no strings attached at all. When I met my mentor, he told me one thing which has changed my perspective forever. When I implemented that, I started seeing the result and able to build multiple business ventures. He told me, don't be just another fill in the blanks. Don't be just another entrepreneur. Don't be just another business owner. Don't be just another affiliate marketer. When you're one among everyone, you are no one. So you can apply this formula anywhere you want. So it's very important. There are so many affiliate marketers are there in the market. They're flashing and spamming everywhere with their affiliate links, and most of them are broke. So I don't want you to be one among them. So it's very important you understand what is unique way you can build your online business. You can become one of the best affiliate entrepreneurs in the world. For that, I invite you to my growing tribe. If you really found this episode useful, please pop them in the comment. What are your takeaways? And if you want me to come up with any new topic, you can suggest over there. I personally read and reply. As always, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so far and support me as always. Until we meet next time, love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.